The theme of the opening is an extract from the aphorism of King Tāwhiao, the second Māori king, who said, "Kua rākau i te papa o te whenua. Ko ki te atu au ngā whetū e tūtakitahi ana. Ko matariki te kairuri, ko atutahi, kei te ti o te māngoroa." Which basically means that I have risen from the base of the earth. Ko matariki is the surveyor, and atutahi will reside at the peak of the Milky Way. And the explanation, one explanation of that, refers to the ability of someone or somebody or one iwi to stand strong in times of adversity. It's like a process of rebirth. It's like a journey of enlightenment. And so when you take that context, the first part, "Kua rāki au I te papa o te whenua, I have risen from the base of the earth." That's the rebuild of the trenches, rising. When you take that into the context of people, that's the transformation, the emancipation, the mana motuhake. That's what that means. New Zealand is ready for this. Our people are ready to learn the history. We need to disrupt the thinking to bring a different perspective. And then from there we get to rebuild the perspective of all New Zealanders. And we can do that through the curriculum. It's just reconstructing that so that you have a better, balanced view of the injustices inflicted on our people. This isn't about the injustices, this is about reflecting on that. So that's a beautiful theme, eh? I have risen from the base of the earth. Pretty powerful. Because we weren't supposed to be here. That's a key point.